Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to change Snapchat sound notification in 2022. To start, open your settings in your mobile device. Once you are in your settings, scroll down. Keep scrolling down until you find Snapchat. Once you find it, tap on it. Over at Snapchat settings, you'll now go and click on Notifications, the one that says Banners and Badges. In here, you'll have the option to turn on sound. Make sure the slider is on. In here, go back. And now you're going to scroll up. Go to Sounds and Haptics. Just tap on it. In here, you will scroll down once again. In here, you can see all your different notifications for either ringtone, text tone, new voicemail, new mail, sent mail, calendar alerts, or reminder alerts. In here, you will need to tap on text tone. Just tap on it. And then over at text tone, you can choose whatever you like. You can even scroll down and look for your very own custom ringtones. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe.